What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to deal with optimization questions. A rectangular pen is to be built with 1200 meter of fencing. The pen is divided into 3 parts using 2 parallel partitions. Find maximum possible area of the pen and explain how the maximum area would change if each side of the pen had to be at least 200 meter long. So we have 1200. If we have rectangular like that, we're gonna have 3 sides. Here we have x, 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 and here we have y and y. So 2y plus 4x is gonna be equal to 1200. And we need to maximize x times y times 3 because we have 3 of them. Or we need to maximize x times y. So the function is x times y, or we can, instead of y, we can put 2y equals to 1200 minus 4x, which y equals to 600 minus 2x. So it's going to be x times 600 minus 2x. So we have 600x minus 2x squared. F prime will be 600 minus 4x. That's going to be equal to 0, because for optimization we need to make f prime equals to 0. So then 600 will be equal to 4x. X will be equal to 600 divided by 4, which is 150. Then if we sub it in here, we can find out the value of y, or sub it here. It's going to be easier. 600 minus 2 times 150. So it's going to be 600 minus 300, which is going to be 300. So here we have 150, 150, 150, 150, and we have 300 and 300. The maximum area for each part is going to be 300 times 150, which is going to be 45,000 meter squared. Now in part B it says if each side has to be at least 200, it means that if x is 200, y will be 600 minus 2 times 200, which is 400, y is gonna be 200 as well. So x times y is gonna be 200 times 200, which is gonna be 40,000. So in each side, in each of them, we have 40,000 square meter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in description in case you need extra practice question. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding optimization and other topics in calculus, physics, and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.